Today we're going to be talking about keyword research for your social media. The keyword we're going to be using today is passive income. Keywords everywhere. All you've got to do is install it for Chrome or Firefox, depending on what you're on. It's a free, really good software. Another tool that you can use, we'll get to that one in a sec, is Google Ads. For some reason, if some of you guys try to log on to your Google Ads for the first time, it's going to take you to this page. It happened to me for another client, and it was frustrating because it takes you to this one page only, and you can't go anywhere else. So if you want to revert it back to the other version, call customer support and kind of demand that they change it back, because I don't want to use this. I mean, this keeps this thing simple, but it doesn't allow me to use the keyword planner. So another tool for keywords is Google Ads. Like I said, if you go through that whole annoying page, just call them and have them switch it back for you. So not that one. We're going to be heading over to Tools, go to Keyword Planner. This essentially does the same thing as Keywords Everywhere. This is just another tool that you can use for keyword research. Boom, find new keywords or get search volume and forecast. I'm going to find new keywords. Let's go for passive income. Let's do the short tail. Okay, get started. You can do multiple ones. Right now I'm just keeping it simple. Shows, got it. So right here now it's telling you passive income. Average search is 33,000. Medium competition. So interestingly different based off these searches. See, look at the difference right here. Not this one. 22,000 a month, and based off this. I'm not the biggest expert on SEO or keywords. I just know enough to help me create the messaging for the end user, which and then ultimately is used for them to interact and engage with us on our social platforms and our ads. Those of you who are much better, fit and well knowledgeable with SEO, feel free to hit me up and drop some knowledge on me. I only know so much, and I'm just sharing the knowledge that I know and what's worked with us. So let's keep going. Immediately it tells me right here, passive income. I mean, it shows me that passive income ideas is a pretty good search. So you can use these tools to cross-reference keywords, or if you just want to stick to one. I know this part isn't the sexiest part, but again, if you can get into the mind of your end user, the better. So I'm gonna keep this up here, so we can keep, so I wouldn't need to research it again when it comes time to organize things. So next keyword tool is Keyhole. This helps you look for hashtags on both Twitter and Instagram. Now that's loaded up, it only gives you up to 2 weeks worth of data because it's a free trial. It's free. It's giving you guys free resources here that you can use.